All right, here we go. We're gonna do it together. Pencil in your hand. Oh, here you go. All right. Oh, Abby, you have to get your pencil right down to the edge, right there. Okay, hold that paper down with your anchor hand. All right, here we go. Let's say it together. Connector stroke. Nice. Let's do another one. Connector stroke. Nice, Abby. Look, she did such a great job. Let's do one more.
It looks like a
Yeah, I know. Let's do another one. Connector stroke.
No.
It has to go all the way down, Abby. Hold your paper. It has to go all the way down. And hold it down tight. You have to hold it down tight. It goes all the way down to the bottom base line. Yeah.